makikita mo over. So, pumunta na tayo sa Gundam City. Okay. Yun pala ang Gundam City. Ganda.
Ang mga sosyal. Ayan ang mga sosyal. Oh. Social number 1, social number 2. Let's eat in Shake and Shacks. Let's eat in Shake and Shacks.
Order natin yung drinks nyo.
Hey, Mami.
Hello.
Baka na...
Hindi nila ako ng libre.
Wow.
Ano yan? Parang ang laptop ko. Hindi ko alam bakit may libre tayo.
Tapos pwede lagyan ng mga gamit yan.
Oo, pwede lagyan sa loob.
Sarap naman kumain dito. May libre pang bag.
Tapos maluwag din yung ano. Ano yung laro nito? Tapos may tatak talaga siya ng
Shake and Shacks. Nice. How was your food?
yummy. No, hindi na. Yan na. Maganda yung kuha nila. Oh, yun na.
We're enjoying. Are you enjoying our Shake and Shack, bro? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, kanina bang gustong kumain ni Nate eh. Kanina pa naudlot sa kaka-picture kaya binibidyo ko na lang, no? Right, Nate?
Ano ko yun? Pabrad.
Wala birds. Pareho pang nakadilaw. Makakore itong dalawang to eh. Ito naman, Marcos.
Ano man?
Nice. It won't fit your mouth, bro. The burger is so floppy, it won't fit your mouth.
Wow. Yummy, yummy. Hello guys, we're done eating Shake Shack. It was yummy. The spicy French fries was very spicy. So, like they put chili, like the red chili, spicy chili, and then we had a burger. I couldn't finish it. I like had a little bit to finish, but my tummy was starting to hurt, so I didn't want to eat anymore.
Wow, it's so cold, bro.
Wow,
Look at that.
red ornaments.
Sarap dito, no? Lamig eh. Ayan, oh. Hi, Mami.
Hi, Dad.
Ang sarap dito, ang lamig.
Nga eh.
Oh. So we are here. It's so cold. Oh. So here we are now in the winter wonderland.
Yay!
Look at that. So we are now entering winter wonderland.
It releases snow.
Ayan.
Fake snow.
Ayan nga.
Ha? Yan yan.
Dito ka, ano? Ano meron dyan?
Here's a letter I just received over my email. To Santa. Dear Santa, after calculating all the deliveries you make on Christmas Eve,
Enjoy ba?
I didn't thought Christmas was EDM.
Nag-wrap sila.
Tom yum soup,
Oh, my soup.
shrimp.
We are in Galleria Mall. Look at this cute dog.
It's my polar bear. My new pet.
Sarap mo maglakad dito pag malamig, ano?
Yes.
Ayan ang Galleria. So we are in Galleria.
Hi. Hello.
Where are we in Galleria?
Sa Galleria.
Nice.
It's
Let's
so
go.
cold here.
Oh, dito tayo dadaan. Kasi right market daw. Oh, di ba?
Nah, bro.
Feel na feel ni mama eh.
It's so surprising!
Nice place. Look at this.
Yummy.
Walking na lang tayo kasi hindi naman pala masyadong malaki yung Winter Wonderland.
It's kind of boring. No offense, but it's kind of boring.
Galing, di ba?
It's only for like babies. And then the snow place for babies. There's a height restriction.
Oh, ito rin yung inside no.
Inside is also for babies.
Ando. Pahinga muna kami. Pahinga muna tayo.
Hi.
Kasi pagod nakakalakad. Nice place. Nice place. Look at this place. Ting tong tong tong. Ting tong tong tong. Ting tong tong tong. Namili. At namili sila sa Marks and Spencer. Mami, ano in order mo? Tingnan.
Yan. Pati yun nandun.
Nauhaw na si Nate.
Ano yung inisin mo?
Namili sa Decathlon si Nate eh. Ano mga binili ni Nate? Ito yung ano binili ni Nate?
Wait lang. Tingnan mo, alam mo ba kung ano yan? Bumili ng Evian water. Tingnan nga.
Ano bang meron sa Evian?
Hindi ko alam ba kung ano meron sa Evian.
Bakit?
Pang mga sosyal. No, ayan no.
Binili ni Nate, pati nga.
Ayan, ang
bumili
binili
ng-
ni Nate ay
Wow.
bola. Okay.
Mukhang kakalilin mo ng basketball nito. Ako ito. Pang pull-ups. Tension rod pang pull-ups. Right? So here we are now in Gulf Pastries. Before going home, time check 12 o'clock. So, yummy.
Sarap to.
Yan siya. Gulf Pastries.
Dito. Malinis kamay mo. Ha? Karakter.
And karaki. Nice. So this is the end of our trip for today, and we'll see you again next time.
Bye.
Okay.